All right, if you want to know how to make residual income with affiliate marketing, I want you to watch this video because I'm going to show you how you can earn $3,200 per month with the triple residual income funnel that I have created using the Home Business Academy funnel builder. Now, this is a simple funnel. The only thing you're going to have to do is go into the template section, get the funnel, put it in your system. But not only that, I'm also going to supply you the emails that you need in order to make it work as well. Now, you're going to have to make some adjustments on this funnel, but I'm going to actually show you the page and I'm going to show you the funnel, and then I'm going to show you how you can start getting traffic to this funnel so you can start earning residual income at least up to $3,200 per month, $3,000 per month in 90 days. Now, what I want you to do is understand this. This funnel is for serious people only. This is not just a funnel showing income claims or a funnel that's showing, how it's going to be easy, because it's not easy. It's simple, but it's not easy. You're going to have to put in some effort, but if you're not willing to put in the effort, then you can go ahead and leave this video now. Go join something, Warrior Plus or, JV Zoo, some product where they're going to give you the runaround and for you to make money. I'm showing you a serious business opportunity, a serious affiliate marketing opportunity that you can tap into right now if you are serious about changing your financial situation, if you're serious about making money online, especially when it comes to passive or residual income. So what I'm going to do right now, I'm going to drop down over here in this corner and I'm going to show you the exact page that I'm using right now. I'm going to show you the funnel that you can get access to. I have created this funnel. It's done for you. It's going to be in the template section in a few days or so, but once you get there, you're able to tap into it. Then I'm going to have an email series that you can tap into as well, or you can create your own using AI. It doesn't matter. I'd rather that you create your own so you won't be using my exact emails, because my emails are going to be telling my story. My emails are going to be relating to me, and if these emails don't relate to you, then there's no reason for you to use them. So right now, let's go ahead and drop down in the corner and I'm going to show you how you can earn residual income, monthly residual income, passive income, call it whichever one you want. You can earn that simply by following the steps that I'm going to show you and using the funnel that I'm going to give to you. Plus, I have some more bonuses that I'm going to give to you as a surprise once you join me inside of the triple residual income funnel. So with that being said, let's go ahead on and get started right now. All right, now this past Saturday, we went over a call with the Home Business Academy called a 4-step plan to earning $3,200 residual income from home in 2025. This video reveals how that is done. Now you're going to see this video once you click the link that's in the description and go to the next page. And let me go ahead on and warn you now, this is not a short video. If you're serious about making money online, you want to watch this video until the end. If you have to pause it, stop, go do something, do whatever you have to do, but make sure you watch this video because it's going to reveal to you how you can make $3,200 in residual income in 30 days or less by sharing the tools, the training, and the system that we have inside of the Home Business Academy. So this is one of the pages that this is on right now. I have this video on another page that you're going to see. So let me go ahead on right now and I'm going to show you the triple residual income funnel. When you click the link in the description, you're going to come to this page right here, brand new for 2025, 4-step plan to earning $3,200 in residual income from home in 2025. This works even if you have never made money online before. Put in your email so you can see the process, but I'm going to show you the process here in this video right here. So once you enter your email, you're going to come to this page. Now, understand something. Let me go back a minute. This is a page I've already created. Okay. You don't have to create the page. You don't have to do anything. If you want to change the text on this page, you can easily do that, and I will show you that in a moment. But this is the page that I'm giving you when you join me in the triple residual income funnel or system. Call it what you want. I like to call it funnel. Okay, so you're going to get this page. This is the next page you're going to get. Earn up to $3,200 monthly in residual income. Watch this video right here. Now, this video right here is the same video that's on this page right here. And that's why I told you that this is going to be a long video. As you can see, it's an hour and 27 minutes long. I may, on this page right here, reduce this down, you know, take out some of the fluff and stuff. But for right now, this is what's on the bridge page. Before you move on to the next step, I want you to watch this video. This tells me if you are serious or not. If you watch this video and you watch it completely to the end and see everything that the Home Business Academy has to offer you with the all-in-one $25 digital business with my triple residual income funnel, then that lets me know that you are serious. So you're going to watch this video. But also on this page, you're going to be able to put an image of yourself here, okay? And then you're going to be able to tweak this message over here to make it fit you telling your story. So you want to brand yourself on this page as well. So you have that opportunity. And then down here, I have here what others have to say. Another video, you don't have to change out this video. You do not have to change out this. See what others have to say here. Testimonials is already going to be done for you. The only thing you would have to adjust is this section right here. You're going to get everything else that's on this page. Okay. So as I said before, this video is an hour, almost an hour and 30 minutes long. If you're serious, you will watch this video until the end. This is not anything I would send for solo ads or anything like that. This would be specifically for organic traffic or people who already know me, like me, and trust me, and they are willing to actually sit down and watch the video. And the truth is, if you're not willing to watch this video to the end, then this isn't for you. So with that being said, let's go ahead on. And I'm just, like I said, you can add your information here, a picture of yourself here, your information here, and then everything else can stay the same. So I'm trying to make this as easy as possible for you to come in and get locked in, get set up, so you can get going in the right direction. So this is the bridge page. This is the opt-in page. I'm going to be creating more opt-in pages. This is just one of them right here. Okay, but I'm basing this opt-in page off of this page here. Okay, so this is the bridge page. The next page I have already set up, you're just going to be able to tap into. You're going to have to change out some links on this button here. But this video here talks about Let's Go. This video here talks about the HBA Funnel Builder. This here talks about the HBA Premium. This is where the triple residual incomes comes in, because you earn this, the investment or expenditure for, you know, step one, Let's Go is $10, but you earn $8 per month. The expenditure for the HBA Funnel Builder is $25 per month, but you earn $20 per month. The expenditure for HBA Premium is $125 per month, but you earn $100 per month. That is $128 in residual income. Yes, you are investing $160, but with two sales and everybody goes in, you're earning $128 in residual income. And that does not include the Financial Literacy Academy, which is a one-time sale, and I'm not going to get into that. So when someone clicks on the Let's Go, it's going to take them to, guess what? The Let's Go page. Because I wanted to go straight to this page, your image is going to be here. Okay, your image is going to be there. This video explains all about the Let's Go. This video explains everything about the HBA Funnel Builder. When they click that link, it's going to take them straight to the page. It's going to show them what they're going to get with the HBA Funnel Builder, okay, and everything inside of that as well. Okay, So this video here, HBA Premium. When they click here, they're able to join the premium. But I want to ask you, did you notice something? And I'm going to back up a minute. Okay, I'm going to close that out. And I'm going to scroll back up. This one step right here talks only about Let's Go. Okay, so that's somebody joining up for $10 monthly. You're earning $8 per month residual income. Okay, for that. But as you come down to step 2 in the HBA funnel builder, let's look at that page. Look at this page closely, because now once they fill out their information, they still can get the 14-day free trial of the premium and conversion HBA Premium. Okay, added to order for 0 cost for 2 weeks, and it offering the Let's Go app again, and they can get the funnel builder for just $25. But if we come on down to step 3, HBA Premium, if we click that button, okay, it's going to take them to the HBA Premium page where it's going to have your picture, okay, fill out the information. Now it's offering the funnel builder and Let's Go. So regardless of the steps that they come through here, this one is only offering the $10 business, the Let's Go, $8 residual income. This one offers the Let's Go and the premium. This one offers the Let's Go and the funnel builder, giving your person or the people that you bring through this triple residual income funnel another opportunity to pick up those things as they go through here. Okay, so that's how that is set up. And then down here on the bottom, I have need more proof. Okay, this is a short video of the training from here on Saturday. Okay, and even from here on this long video, I pulled out some of the testimonials just to put on this page right here. And then down here you can add another image of yourself and your contact information, your Facebook, your whatever. All of this going to take Facebook, YouTube, whatever, any other social media that you have down here. Okay, so that's what you're going to get inside when you join, okay, today with the triple residual income funnel. When you join HBA, call it whatever you want. Okay, HBA, we come over here to HBA. Once you get everything, you're going to have access to the Let's Go. You're going to have access to the funnel builder. You're going to have access to premium traffic and conversion. But the question is, how do you start getting traffic without setting up this funnel? How do you get traffic? You come over here to the affiliate section and you go through here. Everything you need is inside of this section right here. Quick start, member orientation, everything you need is right here inside of this system. Then you can start. You don't have to worry about, when you do this, you don't have to worry about creating the funnel. You can create the funnel at a later date. What you want to do here is start going through this traffic training here to start getting some sales before you even set up your funnel and autoresponder and all of that stuff. As I said before, the funnel is done for you. Okay, this is the funnel. It's done for you. It's going to be in the template section. You just have to do some steps in order to get it into your funnel builder and you're good to go. If you notice in this funnel, I want you to notice something. You do not have to do any video. Someone comes here, they come here. Paul and Mike, the owners of the company, are doing all the selling and telling. You just put your information here to introduce yourself. Okay, if you're an introvert like I am, hey, put yourself here, tell a little story about yourself, and let Mike and Paul and HBA do all the selling and telling for you. You don't have to do any of those things. Okay, everything you're going to need is the Let's Go, the funnel builder, the premium traffic and conversion. Okay, when you come into, let me log back in. When you come into premium traffic and conversion, you get access to ready-made pre-traffic, get free traffic, paid traffic, goals and conversion, and live masterminds, which are held every Monday, okay, at 8 p.m. Eastern time. Daily grow rich calls daily, okay, except for Saturdays and Sunday. That's for both of these. At Monday through Friday, 9 a.m. Eastern time. And then TC Action Mastermind, 11 o'clock every day Eastern time. Okay, that's there for you. This here is done every Saturday, so it's going to be a different video. It's going to be a different, headline up here, but everything else remains the same. Okay, so you're going to have access to all of that. And let me be honest with you, I've been with HBA for a couple of years now, and I hate the fact that I've, joined some other things, for neglected this and things like that. But this does work if you work it, if you're willing to put it to work. Okay, so you're going to get this funnel builder right here. Okay, and let me show you all of this. If I click on funnels, everything is set up in here for you. This is another funnel that I'm working on it. Okay, I'm just going to walk you through the process. Then I'm going to leave you alone. This is the same join page. Now, what I'm also setting up in here is another funnel, okay, which is right here. Okay. And this is going to take everybody back to this page right here. But I'm also setting up a training. Okay, so this is a training, how beginners earn $3,000 per month, step by step. This is going to be the opt-in page. This is going to be the welcoming video. Okay, then they're going to be able to start their training. Then we're going to have, let's go. Then we're going to have mindset training. If your mindset's not right, it doesn't work. Then we're going to have sales funnel training. This is all going to be based around the Home Business Academy. Then we're going to have the sale lead machines training, which is going to be Get Response, which you can become an affiliate of as well. And then it's going to have the triple residual income training, how to get traffic, leads, and things like that. And then the next one is going to be putting it all together, getting the triple residual income funnel, getting the sales machine, which is going to be Get Response, and getting instant leads. So I'm still in progress of working on this, but I'm going to have this set up soon, and that's going to be in here as well as another alternative that you can use, as far as getting triple residual income. So if you got value from this video and you're ready to get started with the triple residual income funnel, and you're ready to start earning $3K per month, $3,200 per month in residual income, giving people something that they actually need and not just promoting something to be promoting, click the link in the description. Go ahead and get started now. Okay, you're going to get some emails that are not necessarily built around this, what I'm doing right now, but I will have that set up soon and some emails done for you. So I want you to just go ahead on and get started right now. Click the link in the description. You can get started for the $10, the $25, or the premium $100. You can start at any level you want to. I recommend you start at $10, work your way up to the $25, work your way up to the $125. That way you're earning a triple residual income. So go ahead on, click the link in the description below, the link in the description below. Get started right now. I'm looking forward to working with you. Leave me a comment, like the video, subscribe to the channel. I want you to have a great day today and a better day tomorrow. Peace.